cat's tail. She might be in the video, but today I'm gonna make some slime again. I hope it works, but with glue. Any kind of glue of your choice. But I'm gonna show you. Stop. Well, a nail polish. Or I'm gonna show you at the end. So we need to do some stuff. We need some laundry detergent, container to mix with and put the slime in, glitter if you want. I'm going to use glitter. And for the nail polish, you want to use this tool. I'm going to use it for both. And some glue. So let's get started. So I'm going to just put the glue in because it might be a long time. It's kind of, okay. She's behind the YouTube thing. YouTube channels. Series. I'm going to put the glue in. Can't get it. Container. What's it? Wait, some is in, some glue. So much glue. I can't stop. And again, the glue. It's just the glue. And that should be enough. Wait. I'm just gonna put you like this. That's better. So here's the glue, and I'm gonna put in some of the glitter of your choice. I'm gonna use some of this glitter. One side. Here's the nail polish. Lots of blue glitter. Who doesn't like glitter? And this kind of blue glitter. Love. Every day is blue. Here we go. And then I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix some too. What? It's like already turning, so it's still sticky. We need some laundry detergent to be enough. See the blue. Turn the flame. Like when you put it in, just starting to make slime. And I foam everywhere. Not at like places maybe. Well, like foam at places. So You need laundry, lots of laundry detergent for this kind of glue. It's tacky glue, so yeah. Yeah. Nice blue color. Here comes my cat. Make room so she can come over here and see, guys. Come on now. Sorry. I've been coughing a lot today. Sorry if the all noise again. So much noise around my house. So. And goopy goops. So goopy. This piece is all ready. So here she is. Lovely cat. Now, my hands are yuck from the stairs. And I might need more laundry detergent, guys, because it's falling. And more of this kind of glitter. It's so much glitter, because who does not like glitter? I do. Comment down below if you love glitter, because lots of people that I know love glitter. So this I want to turn nice and blue. Lots of glitter. It's turning nice and blue now. I don't know why my cat is all around, and you guys. I think she likes you guys. Now it's turning slime. That's a piece of slime there. There's more slime there. Just I want to go with my hands. So I'm just going to take all the slime off the stick. I got it. So I'm going to go in with my hand. This is the most piece that is formed. It's really sticky right now. And look how I stitched it. It's not that stitchy. I'm going to make it fluffy. So, I'm going to make it nice and fluffy. Because look at my hand. I'm going to go get some fluff. You guys, stay here. I'm going to be super quick. Stay. If you don't stay, guess what will happen? I'm back. So I have the shaving cream. It's all sticky. So it's shaving cream. This was for a long time ago. I hope it's still. This is all I have. It's not forming. I'm going to change. There. That should be all done. Mix that all together so it's all fluffy. It's fluffy. It's fluffy slime. I don't want that wet. Laundry detergent, and it's not blue. That's sparkly. It makes it really stretchy. So, here's some slime. It's very stretchy. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I can't even touch you. I have hair all over me. There's hair. Hair. Feel it on my hands. Just helps form the slime. So here it is. Slime. Breaks apart easily with this glue. Yay! It's very sticky and glittery. So you better try out the slime. But I think I'm gonna make more. Get the glue. Usually I'm not. So that was the thing about my video. That was really it of my video. But there's still another part. I'm going to take out my other stuff. Just cut. Just gonna go in with my hands. So here's the part of it. Just stick it around. Go in it with your hands and stick right on the wall. The water makes it stick, so you don't even need anything Mod Podge. No. Still, I have a cup. So. Yeah. I'm gonna mix this. They might be a little bit wet. But that is okay. So, that was the end of the video. But first, I'm gonna grab you guys and show you it. So, oops, I almost dropped you guys downstairs. So that is it. It's the nail polish. I thought it was very cute for you guys. And what should comment down below what I should call you guys, because lots of people call like YouTubers. I'm going on your YouTube channel and saying what should I call you guys. I still have a cough. So bye.